Hey everyone, and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial for SEO. So this one's going to help you just as simple as inside of Google My Business, and I'll put a link in the description below. Once you go ahead and get logged into there, if you come over here to your vertical menu and click on Info, you'll then scroll down until you hit this section where it starts to cover the hours. So this is talking about the holiday closures, and let's say you have a day after the holiday that you're also closed. So you might think it goes right here in these hours because this is the first section of hours that you see, but that's not it. That's for your Monday through Sunday hours. And then this is also not it, but we'll look real quick. This may also be helpful to you, and that's if you have special hours like for a specific service. So if you have delivery but only during certain hours, you can go ahead and add that in there. We'll cancel out of that as it's not the focus of this Tuesday tutorial. This is the section with the, if you will, the calendar section. You can click anywhere in here. We'll go ahead and click on the pencil. And what might be a little counterintuitive is that Google actually puts these hours and dates by reverse. So you may be looking at the top thinking that you're looking at the current date, but as you can see, right now we're in June of 2021, and this starts us off in 2020, so don't let that throw you off either. But if we scroll down, we're going to come down here, and as an example, we'll go ahead and do the 4th of July. So we know we've got the right date, and if we say confirm hours, we're going to go ahead and say close. Now, this might be a little, again, redundant because 4th of July this year is on a Sunday. So when we click close, that's fine. Right? So that would say that we're open. There it says that we're closed. Right? So it's already saying we're closed, so we're good there. So let's say that on the in association with the 4th of July, we're actually talking about Monday the 5th. So if we're going to be closed on the 5th, we want people to know so that they don't show up and they're not upset that they were expecting something. So we'll go ahead and click on confirm hours. Now, instead of saying open, we're going to go ahead for this case and say closed. All right. So as we have these set correctly, and we could add new dates, and that works for the future. So if we want to talk about maybe something around end of the year holidays, New Year's, Christmas, anything in there. All right, we could add new, but for this tutorial, we'll just go ahead and be done with this and say apply. Okay, now when we come in here, we can see that sure enough, 4th of July marks as closed, and the 5th, so July 5th, Monday, we're also closed. And you'll see that it is under review, and that's very normal, nothing to be worried about there, and they get confirmed, no problem. All right, so I hope that this helps in showing you how to keep your Google My Business listing updated in just one more way, and also at the same time, you're also helping your potential customers in that you're being accurate whether you're closed and open. And of course, this would also be important if it's the day where maybe most people are closed, but you want to be marked as open. So if you had that situation, right, it would be important to go in here and confirm that you are open for a day where maybe your competitors are closed. All right, and the nice thing about this is that you also do not need to scroll down and do any other saving. This is all that's needed to go ahead and update those hours. All right, thanks, and I hope this helps.